Hello,
Hi.
my name is Joy. Welcome to your speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes,
Very good. Okay, let's start. Tell me about yourself. What's your name?
my name is Lisa.
How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is math and art.
Oh, your hobby is studying math? Yes?
Yes,
All right. Okay, let's move to Unit 7, time. What time is this?
it's 1 o'clock. It's 1:15, 1:30, 1:45.
Very good. Now, what's this?
It's breakfast,
Number two,
lunch,
number three,
snack,
number four.
dinner.
Okay, what time do you have breakfast?
It's preferred as banana, yogurt, juice.
Oh, that's good. So you eat them. So what time do you have breakfast? Do you have breakfast at 6 o'clock?
Yes,
Okay, can you say it? I have breakfast.
I have breakfast at 6 o'clock.
Okay. What time do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner eat
At
at snack
at
at 7 o'clock
okay, in the morning or in the evening?
in the evening.
Okay, that's great. Now look at this boy. When does he wake up?
He wake up is is 7 o'clock.
Do you wake up at 7 o'clock?
At month uh,
Do you wake up at 7 o'clock, Lisa? What time do you wake up?
is
I wake up at.
at 7 o'clock.
Oh, I see. Look at this girl. When does she go to bed?
She go to bed at 8:45.
How about you? What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 8:45.
Okay, look at this boy. When does he come home?
He come home is 6 o'clock.
Okay, do you come home at 6 o'clock? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now, let's go to this one. Let's talk about Unit 8 subject. What is this?
It shows
Is it science or
sci-
social studies?
science,
This one,
music,
this one.
PE.
Do you like music class?
Yes.
I do.
Yes, I do.
Do you like PE class?
Yes, I do.
Now look at this boy. What's his favorite subject?
My favorite
Yes.
his favorite subject is music.
What's her favorite subject?
She favorite subject is PE.
Okay. How about Lisa? What's your favorite subject, Lisa?
My favorite subject is dance class.
Oh, that's good. Now, can you tell me about Julie's class?
Julie goes to dance class on Tuesdays.
How about Emma?
Emma goes to English class on Thursdays.
Very good. Okay, can you tell me about you?
My name is Lisa. I'm from Vietnam. My favorite subject is dance class. I go to
English class?
I go to dance class
Okay.
on Tuesdays. Guys.
Very good. Okay, so that's the end of our speaking test, my dear Lisa. And let's say goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.